Kain yan.
Ayaw niyo lang itong pagkain na to ba?
So, we have our one of the few stops na, no? 1 or 2 stops na before going to the airport. Si Hannah is the ano to? Food reviewer. Your order is chicken?
Chicken. I have chicken, I don't know, in tomato sauce.
Sa akin is beef. No? Then, Hannah's favorite? Pork and beans.
Sarap yan eh. Masarap yan.
Then we have Coke. No? So this place is first station after Corleo, no? First station. So
This pork and beans is usually like
yeah.
the side.
So this yung stopover no, na Gasun Station na area. Yeah. Very nice. Tikman natin ha. Let's have a review of yung actual na review. Tingnan natin.
Buti pa yung cashier dito kahit hindi siya touristy place. Marunong mag-English.
Yeah. Let's taste yung beef nila. Beef nila. Tigas pero pang atay.
Ano to?
Then we have yung ano to? Pork and beans. Sarap ah. Then yung local anya. Ba natin? Sarap ah. Tasty ah. Of course, yung previous na bread always. Ibigasan ng bread. Freebie. Malambot pa naman bread nila. Oh. Diba? Okay.